All I think about is life, nights, sipping on Sprite. Lil' codeine, nigga, get though right. Two blind dykes wanna kiss all night. I just pray to God that the shit go right. Little arguments and the fist don't fight. Fuck a dog hoe when the bitch gon' bite. ASAP nigga sip Chris all night. Shut up all Kelly hoes getting pissed on twice. Damn, how young nigga get so nice. Young nigga cold like sitting on ice. Fuck broke, tryna be rich all life. I could've been a criminal and just rolled dice. My nuts hanging my top back. Hoes screaming that pop back. Going west side, being inside. ASAP life got a pop tag. Harlem world, my whole block strap. Hoes all on my jock strap. My whip white but my top black. And my bitch white but my cock black. Purple drink, got that. Tell these hoes all the twerk something. Bounce on me, bitch, hurt something. Tell her pop that pussy like it's worth something.
Shawty, she is tryna ready here, run up. Pretty motherfucker, you can call me what you want.
Cause I'm in love with that ass, she in love with the cash. So she shaking it faster than making them stacks. And I'm taking it back, and I'm taking it back to the house. It's a bust in the mouth, and I'm kicking her out.
Take a ride to make this high. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no.
Bro, I say pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. It's all a nigga need. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. It's all a nigga need. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. All a nigga need. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. It's all a nigga need.
It's ASAP Q with a bread at. Fuck around and bring the hush puppies back. She fucked me and a homie, she was cool with that. The block hot, so I'm chanted in my bucket hat. Pause a little bit, I got a little advice. If you fucked her once, then you can fuck her twice. And don't get head from hoes with overbites. Just giving out game, nigga, show you right. Once on a nigga turn night to bright. High as a kite in my Nike flights. Made 30 racks, it was just a flight. Flew a bitch out too, it was just a night. Shorty got the booty, make a nigga say whoa. Can I suck it till he's tryna see how far I can go? Try again and again and she ain't telling me no. Sweetie, tell me how you feeling, can I feel on you more? She said I ain't fucking for free, but ain't shit I can't afford, shit, I'll pay you for it. Now bounce that ass on my bungee cord, yeah. Wootsy daisy, put a good kid in your section 80. Turn a baby to a lady, now here go the keys to my new Mercedes.
Shawty, she a stripper, all you gotta do is tip her. She like ballers with some money, screaming, fuck them other niggas.
Yeah, do A through Z for a G, panties go down to her feet. Pussy get wetter for me, smacking the ass of the beat. Give her that diggity D, yeah.
Take a ride to make this high. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no.
Bro, I say pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. It's all a nigga need. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. It's all a nigga need. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. All a nigga need.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If
make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dream